You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because no one taught you how money actually works. If you want to stop surviving and start winning with money, this video is for you. Let's talk about the habits that build wealth, not just hype. Hi, my name is Davies. I used to be that guy who worked hard but still stayed broke. Now I run a pressure washing business and I invest consistently, and I'm helping people to do the same. If you're tired of financial stress, here's how you can win with money starting today. 1. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but most people don't follow it. If your income is, say, $3,000 a month, live on $2,000 or less. The goal here is to save and invest in this way to achieve financial freedom. 2. Track every dollar. Money you don't track will control you. Use a budgeting app or just a notebook, but know where your money is going. You can't win at a game you're not keeping score in. 3. Invest consistently, not occasionally. Waiting for the perfect time to invest, you're already losing. Start small. ETFs, index funds, or a high interest savings account. Wealth builds with consistency, not luck. 4. Avoid consumer debt. That new car, a flashy phone may look good on Instagram, but it is draining your future. Debt steals tomorrow's freedom for today's comfort. 5. Increase your income, not just cut expenses. Saving is good, but at one point you need to make more. Start a side hustle, build a business, level up your skills. The goal isn't to just survive, it is to thrive. 6. Live like no one else now, so you can live like no one else later. Make short-term sacrifices for long-term freedom. Skip the parties, delay the vacations, build something first. 7. Teach your kids or your future kids early. Winning with money isn't just for you, it is for your legacy. Teach your children saving, investing, and stewardship from a very young age. Proverbs 13:22 says, "A good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children." 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't upgrade your lifestyle immediately. Upgrade your assets. Use new money to buy more freedom, not more liability. 9. Hang around people who understand money. Your circle will either stretch you or shrink you. Surround yourself with people building something, not just spending everything. 10. Develop patience. Wealth takes time. Winning with money isn't flashy. It is boring, consistent, wise decisions stacked up over time. Get rich slow. It lasts longer. Most people stay broke because they copy broke habits. If you want different results, start thinking differently. Winning with money isn't luck, it is intentional. Start today. Small steps, big results. If this helped you, comment below, "I am choosing wealth," and make sure to subscribe for more videos on money, business, and freedom.